You doing your jigsaw, Erin?
Yeah.
Here's your jigsaw of. What's your jigsaw of, Erin?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
Ah. Sorry.
It's alright.
Just that I didn't know you were there.
What are you looking for now, Erin?
For your dress.
Looking for her dress, okay.
That's going. Erin, can I help you? No. No. You can't.
Why don't you let Erin do it herself, family, please?
Okay.
Why don't you get your other thing out, one of your princess ones out, and you can do that. Let Erin do this one. Okay. Let's go, Erin, you've done well. What else can you find?
That is gold.
His coat. Can you find any other bits of his coat?
Yeah. In the corner. There's a corner.
You do your jigsaw, Erin. Never mind Emily's jigsaw. You do yours. You're doing well.
Is there a spot on your nose?
Emily.
Because I think I saw something red on my nose.
You know you've got a spot on your nose. Had it since you were born.
I know that spot, but we've got a different spot on my nose. Like a piece
Very
of
good.
glitter.
Probably.
Because
You've been using glitter all morning. It wouldn't be surprising, would it?
definitely goes here because
Good girl.
this is the middle. No, it's the speech. Going to put the corners in the pile.
That's it. You might need to use your two hands for that. That's very good, Erin.
Corners. Looking for the corners and then able to I'll have a corner tile. Corner. Here. Another corner. Where only
It's over there somewhere. What else can you find?
Mrs. Potts.
Where's Mrs. Potts?
She's here.
She's here. Okay. What's Mrs. Potts got on her?
White.
White.
She likes the same. She likes to Adley. She likes Adley white well. Adley just like this like today.
All right. Do those bits join up? That's good.
I think I'll put this piece here. This is here. Wait. See. That's easy.
Who's that you're doing, Erin? Who's the candle? What's he called?
Mia.
Lumiere. That Lumiere?
Cogsworth is very funny.
Cogsworth is very funny. Can you find?
It's very funny.
Can you find another bit of Cogsworth? Is there a bit missing, or is it a bit of Chip missing?
Yeah, Chip is here.
Chip is there.
And Cogsworth is here.
Cogsworth is there. Emily, don't you interfere with her jigsaw, okay?
I think I can see a Cogsworth bit.
Okay, but
Aiden.
let her do it herself, Emily, please. Very good, Erin. At the ceiling.
The ceiling.
The ceiling.
Where does that go?
Well, if you can't find it, why don't you try another bit? Find another bit of the ceiling.
Here.
Oh, that's good because it's got Belle's hair in it, isn't it?
Yeah, that go to the beat.
No, I don't think so. Is there a bit of the beast missing?
And this
Can you find a bit of the beast hair?
that here.
Oh, yeah, very good. Any other pieces?
That go. That go. In the picture.
Yeah. Why don't you try another bit?
That go. That go. That go to that.
Don't know.
No.
What other bits? Were you sitting on a bit?
No.
What's that bit?
It's Chip.
Chip. That's the bottom corner, isn't it?
The
You might need your two hands, Erin. Oh, you managed?
I'm
No bits under the box.
fine.
You're fine, okay.
that go. Where that be? And that could go this
And a bit going
way.
on that side. Okay, very good. Oops. Here we are. What other bits do you have? Are you looking for ones that you're sitting on? Oh, you are sitting on one.
Look at that corner. I'm nearly done as well.
Very good, Emily. Oh. Good girl, Erin.
That makes me Ooh. Yes.
Oops.
And it'll go.
No.
It goes here. Go here. It goes here.
Yeah, I think it does. Very good.
That goes the well.
Where does that go? On the other side?
Yeah. What happened to that? Right.
Oops.
Let's go. Go here. Nope. It goes here.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, that little goal. That.
Where else could it go? Or you could try another piece.
Water boat. Leather boat. Tie.
No, you turn it round and see.
Where that go? Where this go?
Nope. Yep.
It goes here.
It goes there. Very good. Not many bits left now.
Here
we go.
That goes the whale. It goes like that.
You need to push it in. What else have you got left?
3 bits.
Very good.
3 to do.
3 bits to do. Yeah, you do have 3 bits to do. 2 bits now. Oh. Last one.
The last one.
Yay! Well done, Erin. Let me see it. Yay, clever girl. Let me see your jigsaw. Very good. Can you turn it around so I can see it? That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good, Erin.